Under Section 33 and 7B of the contract assignment, it states quite clearly that all offers shall fall, become null, and voideth. And you can read yourself in this protostatic copy. The undersigned shall forfeit all rights, privileges, and license herein. In here contained, etc., etc. Running the midicorium component, etc., etc., etc. And the pleasure delicatum. It's all there, black and white, clear as crystal. You stole fizzling drinks. Now you're above to the ceiling, which now it's me what you and so you got nothing, nothing. You lose. Good day, sir.
You're a crook. You're a cheat and a swindler. That's what you are. How can you do a thing like this? Build up a little boy's hopes and then smash all his dreams to pieces. You're an inhuman monster.
Yours and good day.
Come on, Charlie. Let's get out of here. I'm gonna eat with him. It's the last thing I ever do. If my world wants a gobstopper, he'll get one.
Mr. Wonka?
You're right. You're right.